Hi guys! For today's video is mag-drawing po tayo. Ita-try nating kopyahin ito. Ita-try nating i-drawing. Ayan. Okay, next. The Y is wrong, but like this pala. Woo! Hirap. Pencil na. Rung-rung agos. Is it right? Next is one. So hard. You try? Try again. Baliktad ito. Okay. Ay, naku, ang hirap mag-drawing. Words na. Ano pa ang wala dyan? This one. Words. Kita ba? Siya na tayo gayang tuk-tuk na. What can you say about my drawing? Hi, nako. What time is it now? It's already 2:36 in the afternoon. It's time to color. This is red. Red or pink? You did this for talaga na kanina and 1 giga. Looks okay. Am I doing it right? Yellow orange pala yung ano ni ano. Ayun oh. Pero yellow ginamit ko, bahala na. Dadagdagan ko na lang ng orange mamaya para magiging yellow orange. Is this orange? Let's try. Ah, yes. It's orange. Ayan. Dito banda. Yeah. Ayan. I think hindi ito si Donald Duck. Si ano to? Si Tweety Bird. Parang si Tweety Bird eh. Kasi may ribbon siya eh. Kaya si Tweety Bird ito, hindi ito si Donald Duck. Donald Duck ba yun? Yung ano? I think this is Tweety Bird because she has a pink ribbon. I'm almost done. Okay guys, it's finished! Makikita niyo ba? Yan po. Ito po yung kinopya ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang kinopya ko. Ito. Yan. Lapit natin. Ayan. Haha! If you are bored guys, and if you are stressed, you can try drawing. You can draw. Ayan. I'm so happy. That's it for today's video guys, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and tap the bell button to be notified every time I upload new videos. See you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.